Look at your cute little book of expressions. All of the pages in here have the same 4 numbers in the same order, and each one has a different solution. What changes is the operations and the grouping and even some exponents. There are 12 expressions in all, and we'll do 6 together. When this video is finished, I want you to do the other 6 on your own to finish. Let's go ahead and begin. Look at the very first one. 3 plus 7 times 12 divided by 2. Of the 3 operations, we do multiplication and division first, and we go left to right. Since 7 times 12 becomes before 12 divided by 2, that's what we do first. 7 times 12 is 84. We'll write that up here just to help. And then I'm going to come down here and I'll write the rest of the steps. This way I can make sure I get everything correct when I can write out all my steps. 3 plus 84 divided by 2. Division comes before addition, so I'll do 84 divided by 2 next. Let me divide that out. 84 divided by 2. 2 goes into 8 4 times. 0, 4. 2 goes into 4 2 times with no remainder. So 84 divided by 2 is 42. So I have 3 plus 42. Well, that's easy. 45. So number 1 is 45. Number 2, 3 times 7 minus 12 plus 2. Multiplication comes before subtraction and addition, so I'll do 3 times 7 first. 3 times 7 is 21. So I'll write down my steps down here. 21 minus 12 plus 2. Addition and subtraction go together, so I go left to right. 21 minus 12, that makes 9. I'm left with 9 plus 2, which is 11. The answer for number 2 is 11. Now let's go on to the next page. This one has parentheses. According to the order of operations, grouping always goes first, so on each one we'll do the parentheses first. I think that makes it a little easier. Number 5, 12 minus 2 comes first. It's inside the parentheses. 12 minus 2 makes 10. Now I'll come down to the bottom and I'll write out what I have so far. 3 times 7 plus 10. Multiplication comes before addition, so I'll do 3 times 7 next. 3 times 7 is 21, which gives me 21 plus 10, and that is 31. Number 5 is 31. Now for number 6, parentheses first. That means we'll do 7 plus 12 first. Always do the operations inside parentheses first. 7 plus 12 is 19. So I'll write the steps. I have 3 times 19 minus 2. Multiplication comes before subtraction, so I'll do 3 times 19. Not sure what that is. Let me go multiply it out. 19 times 3, that makes 57. 3 times 19 is 57. 57 minus 2 is 55. So number 6 is 55. Next page, on to number 10. We have parentheses in this page as well. Notice there's more than one operation inside of number 10. So we'll have to do it step at a time just inside the parentheses for number 10 before we can get rid of those parentheses. So let's look and see what we have inside the parentheses. 3 plus 7 squared minus 12. That's three different things. We've got plus, we've got minus, and we've got an exponent. According to the order of operations, exponents come first. So the first thing I will do is 7 squared. Since I still have other operations inside the parentheses, when I simplify 7 squared, I'll keep the whole thing in parentheses still. I'll write the simplified form so far, 3 plus 49 minus 12. That all stays inside the parentheses. Then I'll write the rest of my expression. So now I'm going to continue to work inside my parentheses until I have gotten rid of them. I have addition and subtraction, and since they go together, I'll go left to right. 3 plus 49 comes first. When you add those together, you get 52. Since I still have subtraction in that set of parentheses, I still need to keep them. I have 52 minus 12 in parentheses divided by 2. Clearly that one comes first. 52 minus 12 is 40. Now I can get rid of the parentheses. I have no more operations left to do. 40 divided by 2. That makes 20. Number 10 is 20. Let's look at number 11. Number 11 is 3 cubed minus 7 in parentheses plus 12 divided by 2. Of course, we do parentheses first. We've got an exponent and we have subtraction. Of course, exponents come first. So I'll do 3 cubed. 3 times 3 is 9 times 3 is 27. So I have in my parentheses 27 minus 7. Since, as you see, there's still a subtraction operation in the parentheses, I still need to keep them when I write out the next step. So I'll write 27 minus 7 in parentheses plus 12 divided by 2. Since we still have parentheses, I still do parentheses next. 27 minus 7 is 20. 20 plus 12 divided by 2. I have addition and division. Division comes first. 12 divided by 2 is 6. I'll rewrite that step. Now I have 20 plus 6 equals 26. My final answer for the work we'll do together is 26 for number 11. Now go back through your book and do the other 6 expressions just the way we did them. I think it would be a great idea to write out your steps the same way I do. You're less likely to make a mistake.